Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Now Jinjuji. Code MIDV880. Released on October 1, 2024. And it has 150 minutes watch time. The story is about married woman and the rich guy. The guy lives at the penthouse of the building. So one day, the guy invited the girl at his penthouse for a celebration gathering. Apparently, the member was only for a rich and wealthy people. So the next day, the guy went to the girl apartment. However, while they are alone at the girl apartment, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.